Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Call of Duty Cold War. First, launch the game from your console or PC. Once the game loads, you'll see the main menu. From there, simply select the multiplayer option. This is your gateway to all the online action. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable for the best experience. You're just a few clicks away from joining the fight. After entering the multiplayer lobby, you'll find a variety of game modes. You can choose classics like Team Deathmatch, Domination, or Search and Destroy. Each mode offers a unique objective and player count, typically ranging from 6 versus 6 to 12 versus 12. Take a moment to explore the options and pick what suits your playstyle best. The game frequently updates with new and exciting modes to keep things fresh. Playing with friends makes the experience even better. To invite your squad, open the social menu, usually found at the top right of your screen. From there, you can see your online friends and send them game invitations. Once they accept, they'll join your party. Most modes support parties of up to 4 or 6 players, allowing you to coordinate and dominate together. Teamwork is key to victory. With your game mode selected and your friends in your party, you're ready to jump into a match. Double-check that everyone in your party is ready. Then, simply press the Find Match button. The game's matchmaking system will quickly connect you to an available lobby with other players. Get ready for intense combat and strategic gameplay. Good luck out there and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.